Let's start our today's class for the preparation of scientific officer. Want to be able to- Our today's class number is 12 and question types are MCQ. And this class is managed by answer. Let's move towards our first question. First question is that Pakistan ranks position from sucrose extraction point of view in the world. Fifth, eighth, 10th, 16th. The correct one is a 16th. Pakistan stands at 16th number from the point of view of extraction of sucrose. Next question is that wax is extracted from precipitate of can industry with help of benzene, hexane, chlorine, or hydrogen. And the correct one is a benzene. Uh, Wax is extracted with the help of benzenes from the presumed of can industry. In line X duster cross, each male is mated with same set of females, different set of females, few females of a set, or all of these. And the correct one is a same set of the females. In line X duster cross, each male is mated with the same set of females. Next question is that the law of segregation was proposed by Darwin, Hooke, Mendel, or Sutton. And the correct one is the Mendel. Law of segregation and law of independent assortment was proposed by Mendel. In plants, the process of male gamete formation is known as microsporangiasis, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, or megasporogenesis. And the correct one is a megasporogenesis. Carbon dioxide is produced by fermentation of molasses by percentage 16%, 10%, 12%, or 20%. And the correct one is a 16%. Carbon dioxide is produced by the fermentation of molasses by the percentage is 16%. Saturated fatty acids are obtained from animal fat, vegetable fat, both sources or synthetic sources. And the correct one is a animal resources, yeah, animal fat. Next question is that in saturated fatty acids, carbon atom are present with single bond, double bond, triple bond, or double and triple bond. And the correct one is a single bond. In saturated fatty acids, carbon atoms are bonded with the single bond. Cultivation of groundnut is restricted to Rawalpindi division, Peshawar division, Bardhan, or Lahore. And the correct one is a Rawalpindi division. Cultivation of groundnut is just restricted to only restricted to Rawalpindi division. Next question is that which of the following organelle is missing in the plant cell? Ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, or centrioles. And the correct one is a centrioles. There will be dashed classes of phenotypes as well as genotypes. In F2 for a character with codominant section. 2, 3, 4, or 5. The correct one is a 3. In case of codominant section, 3 classes of phenotypes as well as genotypes in F2 with for a character observed. In simple regression equation, y is equal to a plus bx. This is the correct answer. In simple regression equation, y is equal to a plus bx. The sex chromosome XY in the present in the male hyomens. Sex chromosome XY present in the male hymen. Repeated nucleotide sequence that may occur in hundreds, thousands, or more copies in a chromosome complement of the eukaryotes is called repetitive DNA. This is the correct answer. Repetitive DNA is a repeated nucleotide sequence. Repeated DNA is a repeated nucleotide sequence that may occur in hundreds, thousands, or more copies in a chromosome complement of the eukaryotes. Next question is that what type of epistasis is expected when signs of H and I are similar, complementary? Type of epistasis expected when sign of H and I are similar or complementary. The gametes of the parent having the genotype capital W small p is the two gametes capital W small p and small p is the correct answer. Next question is that the value of the correlation coefficient or ranges from -1 to +1. This is the range of value of correlation of coefficient indicated by R ranges from -1 to +1. Correlation coefficient R ranges from -1 to +1 is the correct answer. Next question is that which of the following estimates is not possible through the generation mean analysis? Is the combining ability is the correct answer. Combining ability uh, is a value which is not estimated by the generation mean analysis. It means generation mean analysis cannot analyze the combining ability. If the ratio of dominance variance to additive variance is 0, there will be no dominance. In case of ratio, dominance variance to additive variance is 0. Ratio of dominance variance to additive variance 0, there will be no dominance is the correct answer. The protein products of a regulatory gene that can combine with a specific operator and block the transcription of a gene is called a repressor. Protein product of a regulatory gene that can combine with a specific operator and block the transcription of a gene is called a repressor. Now we move towards our next question. Dash traits are generally affected by the environment. Is a quantitative traits. Quantitative traits are generally affected by the environment. Progeny obtained after first back cross will have dash percent of gene from donor. This is a 75%. The progeny obtained after first back cross will have 75% of the genes from the donor. Dash is a highly degraded at room temperature. That is a RNA. RNA is a highly degraded at a room temperature. The next question is that in 4x4 dialel matting will produce direct cross. How many direct cross produces in case of 4x4 dialel matting? 12 is the correct answer. If we use 4x4 dialel matted, it will produce 12 direct crosses. A change in mutant allele that restore it to the wild type is a reverse mutation. A change in mutant allele that restore it to the wild type is called a reverse mutation. Environment of a single genotype is called microenvironment. Environment of a single genotype is called microenvironment. Next question is that predictable factor includes planting rate, fertilizer dose, and spacing. These are the predictable factors. And unpredictable factors include rainfall, temperature, humidity are the unpredictable factors. A point mutations in which codon specific for a given amino acid is changed to a different pyrimidine is called silent mutation. When a point mutation in which codon specific for a given amino acid is changed to different parameters is called silent mutation.